Hey everyone, this is RobertSVR and today I wanna talk about variational. We got a nice news around variational plans for the summer for the next 3 months. Plus we have updated polymarket bets, plus some extra information. We will discuss and check everything. Before we start, I wanna say that I have a Twitter which is RobertSVR. I will highly appreciate if you follow me and follow my YouTube channel as well. I post some interesting and useful content in the Twitter as well. On top of that, the link to Variational is down in the comments. It's a referral link, but you can't join Variational without special invite code, and plus it is giving 13% boost to your points. On top of that, I have a website which is perpsmania.com where I collect information about farming perps. I develop it myself, I update it, many useful insights, information on how you can farm perps, not just a typical perps list. So let's dive in. And by the way, I will tell how you can farm variational the best way in the end of the video, but it's super simple. Limit orders and holding positions. That's it. That's your way to farm variational. Okay, let's check out. So they are planning to make a step into RWA markets. Huge step. First of all, aggregating exciting perps liquidity, where they will be aggregating just on-chain RWA assets. Then trade fi. And this is super crazy, super nice, because they will be integrating commodities, wheat, soybeans, natural gas, single name equities, and so on, so on, so on. This is an international indices. This is like super nice because that was always a problem for me. After I joined crypto is much harder to analyze via news, via world events, and so on, so on. But right now, anytime, any day, you can trade anything, and this is what is coming to Variational as well. I would love to use it for my daily trading, like trade wheat or soybeans or natural gas. It will be really nice to have, and I'm waiting for it on Variational, of course. Zero fees, RWA, huge leverage for all assets. I love it. And the final step, universal coverage. So many indices, commodities, stocks, currencies, like, yeah, we can understand that they wanna integrate everything, sorry, but anything I can say as well. So 3 steps, variational summer. I wanna say that's important thing as well, that I think that after they do that, we will have a TG for variational token. They also said in their docs that points will be no longer than like third quarter. So I expect in the third quarter, by the end of it, TG. It will be a nice one because they built everything they wanted to build, like in nearest site. So they add everything on their website and they are launching TG. And then like next seasons, and they're like rewarding us, early users basically. So I think we have 3-4 months maximum to farm variational points. And the problem is that it's already hard to farm, but it will be harder. I want to say that variational is really has possibility not only become a nice airdrop, but a nice exchange. Like, let's be honest. Variational has one big difference from our exchanges and from our perp dexes and surplus exchanges. First, it has over 500 pairs because they don't need liquidity inside Variational, they just collect it from everywhere. You can find like many tokens. You don't need centralized exchange, you don't need QYC, and everything with high leverage. Yeah, the position will be limited if you use high leverage and so on, but still it's possible. And of course spread, so be cautious. But anyway, this is possible, and in the future, when Variational grows, it will be even better. The thing is that, for example, they recently added a new asset. How that happened? It was a free marketing narrative for variational, and they didn't like invest in this marketing narrative. So a user wrote in the Discord that, oh, can you add this token? And variational added it like 40 minutes after. No one can do it that fast. Other perp dexes, central exchange, not possible. They can do it super fast. They can grow super fast. And then we will have the same thing with RWA, which will bring a lot of liquidity, a lot of volumes, and so on, so on. Yes, right now, if you check for 30 days, it's top 7 and top 1 from tokenless perpdexes, by the way, with $15 billion in volume in 30 days. The thing is that they don't have an API. This is a big and important thing, because an API it's especially for crypto world, but not only for crypto world, it's super important to have an API, because everyone loves to trade via API. And the thing is that as soon as they add API, volumes will go like crazy, because first of all, for bots there is 0 fees on variational, so it's perfect for scalping, perfect for some arbitrage. On top of that, they have 500 pairs, which is super nice for arbitrage as well. And arbitrage bots, volume bots, everything, like anything you can imagine of, apart from market maker bots, I guess, they will go there. It's super useful, and volume will be crazy, believe me. The problem is that it's already hard to farm those points. It's already hard to get those points. Like, we have 2 points per 100k volume, and this is not like volume. It's like when you hold in those positions and you increase your open interest, so you do something like not just buy sell. You don't get points with that. And my take that it will be even harder to get those points. So if you want to start farming variational, you need to start it now. And same was with lighter. In reality, you could farm lighter even like in December near TG, but everyone was saying, no, don't farm it, it's a bad way, no, it's too late. No, this is not too late. Right now, it's not too late anyway, because it will be really hard to get points, like, I don't know, 2 months later, maybe 1 month later, it will be much harder. Let's check play market as well about FDV. FDV growed a lot, like insanely. Like, let's check graph. Okay, 1 billion, not that much, but let's start with this one. It was 10%, now 24, which is 2x. Half a billion was 17% just recently. Crazy, this over 3x growth. And 300 million was 32%, so x3 growth, so it is growing. Half a billion, already 51%, and I expect it will be much bigger. I think this FDV is accurate for current reality, when it's like we don't know what is going on with market, we are in bear market, and so on, and wars and Trump and everything. But the thing is that they will be launching by the end of 3rd quarter. Still 3-4 months until that, and it will change, it will grow. If you ask me, would I buy this like 500 million? I would, but the problem is that our market is so volatile that, like, by the end, yeah, I guess it's a nice buy, but right now I don't know what will happen next week. Maybe we will down dramatically again, I don't know. But again, my take is that if you want to start farming points, it's better to do it now. And yeah, I'm calculating points with this one, half a billion FDV and 50% for the airdrop, so 1 point is $10, something like that. It's raw, of course it's raw, we can't predict, but airdrop can be, airdrop% can be higher, FDV can be higher, so this can be like 20, 30, it's totally possible to be much bigger, you know. But anyway, even with this price, still really profitable to farm those points. Okay, so link in the comments Thanks for watching. Like, follow. If you have any questions, write down in the comments or write to me on Twitter. I will help if you need. Thanks. Good luck with airdrops. Good luck with trading. Stay safe. Bye.